Hello people, I hope you're all doing fine and welcome to my channel. So let's do an eyebrow tutorial, but before we continue, please subscribe down below. And without wasting more time, let's get started. I'm using this setting powder on the brows to wipe off the oil around it. Then I brush them upwards to see if I need to trim the eyebrows. And for a start, you need a sharpened brown eye pencil. For me to start drawing the eyebrows, I have to place my eye pencil here in the middle of my lips and on the side of my nose to get where my drawing will end. So this is what I mean, and then I draw a line. And to find the arc, I'll place it between my lips and on the nose, but in the middle. In my case, I placed it where my nose ring is and draw a line. It's really a simple way. Another way to know where your drawing will end is by just placing the eye pencil on the end corner of your eyes, just like this, and then put a mark. I'm using Davis number 3 eye pencil, and make sure it's sharp and just follow your eyebrows and the marks. On the lower part of the eyebrow, start drawing from the beginning of the eyebrows, while on the upper part you don't start at the beginning. Fill in the brows, but don't fill in the beginning of the eyebrows. When I say in the beginning of the eyebrows, I mean this part. Don't fill that part, just brush it like I am doing, using a spoolie or a brush like mine. To clean the eyebrows, I'm going to use a lighter concealer, just like 3 shades lighter, and a flat brush. Then spread the concealer going downwards, and later I go with a sponge and press it in. Still on the eyebrows, now using a foundation on top of the concealer, and you will see the difference. On the upper part, you just still follow the marks. Set my eyelids, and that is final. Thank you for watching my video till the end, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please leave a like and enjoy your weekend.